Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L.O. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Thank you for coming back. But if you are new here, definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. That'll let you know when I drop another video. If you are here for beats, I have a link below. It's called Beats You Need. Or you can just go directly to my website, which is going to be xelohh.com. Man, I missed you guys. Thank you for coming back to the channel. What I want to do today is actually go through some troubleshooting tips that may actually help you guys out. This troubleshooting tip is for projects when you're trying to open them and you get an error message, or it's not loading, or VST is not loading correctly. This is what you need to do to get that going. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so here we are in Cakewalk, and I'm just going to open up a project just so you can see the whole project. All right, and this is my dark theme. If you're interested in this theme or my light theme, I do have a link below in the description where you can actually download it for free. I do have a video link down there as well. All right, so I'm just going to play this for you guys real quickly. It's just a real quick drill beat that I made. All right, so as you see, it has like a lot of different things on here. There's different effects and EQ. So if I added an effect on here that didn't really work correctly, I can actually get rid of it before it actually gets into loading up the whole entire track. So let's do that. So I'm gonna go up here to File, and I'm gonna close this. I'm not gonna save any changes. So now that you're in this menu here where it says Recent Projects, and you're trying to load that project that's not loading, what you want to do is hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click whatever file or project you're trying to open. So if I'm in here and I hold down Shift and click, this little dialog window pops up and says Safe Mode. And it'll say, would you like to load the following plugin? And this one is the Vacuum Pro. And down here, it shows you that it's loading the Vacuum Pro. So let's say that you don't know what is actually causing the issue for your track. You can actually go in one by one and load up the VSTs or the effects by hitting the yes on here, or the yes to all, or the no to all. So let's say I want the vacuum. Let's hit yes on that. And this is Satilla. I'm going to say yes to Satilla as well. Complete control. Let's say yes to that. So now we're on labs. Labs, I'm going to hit no. Right? Sample take, let's say yes. BBC Symphony Orchestra, we can load that one too. Decent sampler, let's say no. This is my reverb on here. I can say no to this. It actually does effects as well, as you see, loading effects. So I can say yes to this. Baby Come Back, Magic Switch, Groove Player, T-Rex, Compressor. Let's say no to Halftime. I'm gonna say no. And I'm gonna hit yes to this. And let's do a yes to all the rest of them, because that's just the EQs on the tracks. And now it has loaded up your project. Once you actually get your project loaded, it'll usually be in a little smaller screen than when you actually had it the first time. So you can just hit on like this maximize, and it'll bring it up to your full screen. When you're actually in safe mode, as you notice, it doesn't have anything down here in the docking station, and there's, it's just basically a standard one. So you can actually bring your browser back. Hitting B on your keyboard, it'll bring back your browser. If you wanted to bring up your control panel, you can hit Alt and 2. It'll bring up your console down here. So now you have your console ready. So you can actually bring all those back by going up to views as well to bring all those back. And here are the shortcuts, the alts for them as well. All right, so the soft piano was the labs. And if I click on the instrument, there is no instrument that pops up. The soft strings, I can click on that one. And as you see, it brings up my vacuum. But the labs will not open because I did not load it in the project itself. All right, this was a short video. I didn't want to make it too long. I just wanted to show you guys how to actually do this to help with your workflow if you're running into issues when you're loading your projects. Definitely leave a comment below if you have like any questions or concerns about this. If you haven't liked already, definitely like. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, it's your boy, X.E.L.O. Till next time, people. Peace.